Hello, everybody. My name is Kayla, project manager here at Latino Tax Pro, and I am coming on today to talk a little bit about our VIP membership with Latino Tax Pro. As a VIP member, you have oodles of benefits besides discounts on courses and events. Besides your complimentary CE course, we also have a fantastic service that we call Ask a Tax Pro. Ask a Tax Pro is available for our VIP members, and this is a service where you can submit your tough tax questions and have that tax question reviewed and answered by our team of I think at this point we have more than 7 enrolled agents. To submit this question, they first must be submitted in written form, so that in the event that the IRS needs some proof, a paper trail, we have it there. So we request that the first question is sent in as an email, and if there's any follow-up to that question, if you need it to clarify or the EA needs to clarify, they can contact you by phone, and you can finish up that way. So if you do need to talk over the phone, just add your phone number, forgot that word, add your phone number and request a call. But again, that original question needs to be submitted in text form. Excuse me. So our response times for Ask a Tax Pro, it's typically between 24 and 48 hours. Now, there's a couple ways to submit your question, but today I want to tell you the simplest, easiest way to do that. And it is simply opening up your email client. Most of us probably have Outlook, but whatever it is, just open up an email, compose a new message, and you just need to address that email to our Ask a Tax Pro email. And let me, I was going to demonstrate it. I guess I could share my screen. Let me try to share my screen here. So all you need to do, I think I'm sharing the correct screen, am I? Yes. Okay, so all you do, you go into your email client, you open up a new message, and in the sender bar, who you're going to send it to, the email address, it's very long, it's called Ask a Tax Pro at latinotaxpro.zendesk.com. So Ask a Tax Pro at latinotaxpro.zendesk.com. Enter in your subject line, enter in your tough tax question. For the purposes of this, I'm not entering the actual question. And if you need to attach any forms or materials, you can attach it there. And then all you need to do is send that ticket in. And then it goes into our VIP member bucket, and our enrolled agents are able to see it and review it. And then, as I said a moment ago, we have a response time of 24 to 48 hours. So the email address for Ask a Tax Pro is kind of a mouthful, askataxpro at latinotaxpro.zendesk.com. So a suggestion I have is to take that email and add it to your address book in your email client. That way, whenever you have a question, you could just automatically input it, send it in, and get your questions answered. If you do, here, let me share one more thing. If you do happen to forget that email address, hold on. Gotta share another screen. If you do happen to forget that email address, you can locate it on our website, latinotaxpro.com. on the ribbon above, you go to Programs, and then you select Ask a Tax Pro. This is our landing page telling you about it. But it has the email address right here, askataxpro@latinotaxpro.zendesk.com. That way you can copy paste into your address book and have it for easy reference. So in order to submit a tough tax question, all you need to do is type it up and submit it. Send it to askataxpro@latinotaxpro.zendesk.com. And I also want to mention that another, oh, I think I'm doing this correctly. Sorry. Another benefit of your membership is you get a discount on products and courses with us. So I wanted to draw your attention to our summer webinar series. You can use your VIP member discount towards any of our of our summer webinar series. If you go to latinotaxpro.com and click on summer webinar series, you can view an entire webinar schedule that gives you the dates and times that the webinars are coming on, gives you the title, description. It'll tell you who our speakers are, your continuing education credits, as well as kind of a level of difficulty, whether it's basic, seasoned, or advanced, whether it's in English or Spanish, and then you can purchase them individually. Our 1 hours are $34, and if you take a 2-hour webinar, it's gonna be $68. And also, if you can buy the entire bundle in English or Spanish, and within that bundle, you can earn up to 24 hours of your continuing education with this summer webinar series. So that's all I have for the moment. So thanks again for tuning in. And you'll be seeing me again real soon.